So if you are using these types of blenders, the silver crest blenders, let me show you how to fix leakages, or if the blenders or the blender is leaking, let me show you how to fix leakages. Okay, just spend some seconds seconds. It doesn't take long. Let's say this one is loose. We have open here, close here. So if you turn it this way, you are closing it. If you turn it this way, you are opening. Understand? We have open. See the arrow. We have close. Look at the arrow. So clockwise, you are closing, and anti-clockwise, you are losing. So let's just spend some little time, and watch what I'm doing here. You see, I'm losing the thing. I'm losing it. So this is how you do it. Okay, so that it doesn't fall. You see, so this is the blade, and this is the plate beneath it, and this is the cap, the space that you fix it. So let's say it's leaking. So once it's leaking, then it means this thing has loosened. So you need to tighten it well. So you need to place the plate, just make sure that everything is intact on a level ground. You understand? On a level ground, so that it will not fix the other way around and cause it to leak again. You see? So now everything is fixed in tight, and this thing. So I just tighten it with the tool. You understand? And if you don't have this tool, you can use what's the name? Screwdriver. You put it in one of the holes, then you tighten it. Okay, so this is how you see it's tight. Now it's tight. Let me pour in water for you to see. Let me pour water inside for you to see. Oh, my water, where is it? I had water. I'm coming. Let me pour in water for you to see. Just a second, okay? I have water here. Because I wanted to do this video, I prepared myself. I have water here. Let me pour water inside for you to see. Okay, so this is water. Let me pour it inside. You see? So this is how you fix it. This is how you fix leaking silver crest blender card. This is how you fix it. Very easy and simple. I've already told you that these blenders, they don't spoil. These blenders, they don't spoil. It's either